How to fix Zomato app not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Zomato app not working problem. So guys, for this you have to go to your settings and then you have to go to install apps or app manager and then search for Zomato. Here is it, click on Zomato and you can see app permission button. Click on app permission and now you have to allow all the permission here. As I have already allowed it the permission, so you have to allow all the permission and go back and you can see the storage button. Click on storage and now you have to clear all the data. As you can see the clear data option on your below the screen, so you have to click on clear data and press OK and go back to your menu, and then you have to restart your phone and reopen the Zomato app. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.